Today, I am making butter cookies, which can also be called as condensed milk cookies. We only need 3 ingredients: butter, condensed milk and all-purpose flour. Hello and welcome to Belly Timber House. Let's start by adding half cup of butter, which is neither too hard nor too soft. 1/4 cup, which is about 60 ml of condensed milk. Check out my condensed milk recipe in the description box below. Whisk both the ingredients together until they transform into smooth and creamy paste. I am using an electric whisker. You can also use a regular hand whisker. Once it becomes smooth, add 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or maida and mix well. Right now the mixture is crumbly, so keep kneading it, and after a minute or so it will become a dough. If the dough is sticky, grease your hands and workstation and knead the dough for a minute. Now roll the dough in a round rectangular shape and wrap it in a cling wrap. If you don't have cling wrap, you can do the same using a parchment paper. Now refrigerate the dough for 1 hour. It is very important to refrigerate the dough. It will make the cookies crack free. After an hour, take out the dough from the fridge and remove the cling wrap. Now cut the dough using a sharp knife because the dough will be hard, so be very careful. Keep the cookies in a greased baking tray and bake it in a preheated oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. After 15 minutes, take the cookies out from the oven and let them cool down. Here I am doing one additional step to make my cookies more attractive, which is completely optional. Our cookies have cooled down completely. You can serve them plain also. Here I have some melted chocolate, so I am going to dip half of the cookies in the dark chocolate and garnish with some chopped cashew nuts. Keep the cookies in the fridge for 2 to 3 minutes and they are ready to enjoy. They look perfect, taste amazing, and they are absolutely guilt-free. Try this recipe and let me know how do you like it. If you try these cookies, send me a picture on Instagram tagging Belly Timber House. Link is in the description box below. Try my jeera biscuit recipe and other cookies. I have put the link in description box below. Do like, share and subscribe Belly Timber House and hit the bell icon for more recipes.